Hi, welcome to Alfa Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around our lovely 2019 69 plate Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now this is a Veloce model, very well specified. This is the biggest brake horsepower without going to your quadrifoglio. This is 280 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic box. As you can imagine, it's silky smooth through those gear changes. Now the car itself, Silverstone silver metallic, looks absolutely superb. Upgrade wheels, panoramic roof. This is an impressive looking thing, and we're just about to throw it in the showroom. So let's have a look around. Coming to the front end, we've got LED daytime running lights on this one, front and rear parking sensors. Looking at the front bumper, it's in nice order. It's not been raced, it's not been rallied, it's not riddled with stone chips on the front end. Alloy wheels wise, they're finished in this lovely sort of shadow chrome, look absolutely superb. There are 5 twin spoke, you've got the gloss black Alfa Romeo script brake calipers. We're riding on lovely Hankooks all round, lovely chunky tyres on all 4 corners. These are 19-inch alloys, but even with the bigger alloy, it's still a lovely ride quality. Veloce badging to the sides. We've got gloss black window surrounds, we've got privacy glass, obviously lovely panoramic glass roof, and then following through more gloss black. Coming through to the back, you've got the Giulia badging. I do like the back end of these cars, they look really aggressive. That lower diffuser, inbuilt twin exhaust, nice lower diffuser, it looks ace. Practicality wise as well, fantastic cars. So looking into the boot, as you can tell, nice wide loading area, stretches all the way back. We've got the split folding rear seats, pull a lever, they fold down. Down here, bit of added storage. And then just looking at the bodywork, looking at the paintwork, you can tell all the panels are nice and straight. Paintwork's in nice order. Look at the door edge, it's not been opened on anything. No trolley dents, just a lovely car. Now when these cars first came out, if you ever read the reviews, they were winning every award out there. Now jumping inside, lovely ebony black grained leather. So, looking at these seats, as you can tell, the bolsters on them are fantastic, dead supportive. You've got the Alfa Romeo scripts on the headrests, part perforated just to allow the seat to breathe. Very adjustable as well, so you've got the leg extensions. The driver's seat is 3-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, partner can be driver 2. Press of a button fully adjusts it to the way you want it. Looking through to the back seat. So, same again, lovely order. I'd probably say very light use in the back of here. So we've got 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. You've even got an individual little sunroof for the people in the back, which is a nice feature. You've got the blind there as well, so you can close it all up. Central armrest with cup holders. And then lastly, Alex, if you have a look at the backs of the front seats, no kicking, no scratching, all the netting's intact. It's not stretched out and ripped. Now, jumping into the cockpit. I've got the keys in my pocket, so the car is supplied with both keys. Starts like a Ferrari, you've got the starter button on the steering wheel. Press it, rumbles into action. You've got park folding mirrors, they fold out straight away. So, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Everything that you'd expect on a car of this caliber. Nice aluminium flappy paddles, so obviously the gearbox, once it's in drive, you can flick it into manual mode, drive it manually. Infotainment system, really straightforward to use, very easy. You've got your radio there.
But the M42 is connected.
So full DAB, all the extended channels, media, so full phone connectivity, telephone there. Navigation, which is quite responsive, very easy to use. And then a big factory option on this as well, we've got Apple CarPlay. So if you're on Apple, stick your phone on there. You've got mirror link, so it mimics whatever's on your phone onto the screen of the car. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, fantastic for those colder mornings. Winter's just around the corner. Central cup holders. Now look at the trim there. Lovely trim, is in nice order. You tend to get little nicks from watches and rings, and you know, placing keys down. That's all in nice order. DNA drive, dynamic, neutral and efficiency. Electric parking brake, and then you've got your central armrest, which within there you've got quite a bit of storage, aux, USB, 12 volt power outlet, everything that you'd expect. So, if you'd like anything further on this car, please do get in touch. If you've got a part exchange, we can give you a price over the phone. If you require finance, HP, PCP, we can do it all. You can give us a call on 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry.